Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will discuss a small thing. Sometime whenever you will test your website, you will get a certain optimization notifications, or you can see directions. So for that, in that direction you will find out that you should optimize render blocking JavaScript. So what is that? JavaScript is a computer language which actually interact with the browser, and it will show different results. For example, if we for example, this type of, you can see effect when we hover here. You can see this effect we can achieve with the JavaScript or jQuery. Similarly, we have this slider, and this slider is actually in the behind the scene. It's using CSS and the JavaScript as well. So JavaScript is also very important language. So what it means is that render blocking JavaScript. So behind the fold content. What is unfold content? So the content which we are seeing over here whenever we will open the website, you can see this is a content which is unfold. Okay, so it is unfold content, so we can see this content. But the content behind that, after this main section, we have this all the content which is called fold content. Okay, so when our website will load, it will actually load JavaScript, CSS before loading all the website. Okay, all the website. So that will consume time, and it will actually decrease the overall speed of the website. For optimization for that, in WordPress you have different plugins. So I will recommend, if you don't using Lightspeed cache, then you can use auto optimize plugin, which is a very nice plugin for this purpose. And by this plugin you can optimize CSS, JavaScript and HTML files for your website. But definitely we already have this thing inside Lightspeed cache, and the theme Solidad in built system is already there. Showed you the alternative as well. So if you are using some other theme, or you are creating your website from scratch, then you can use this plugin. This plugin is highly recommended and very nice plugin for improving the performance for JavaScript and CSS block rendering things. Okay, so that is also a very important aspect for speed optimization, that you should actually decrease the blocking from JavaScript and CSS rendering behind the unfold content. So that's it for this video. In next video we'll move further. Goodbye.